Must watch the video, Fisherman's Paradise on one of PGI's widest and deepest canals. 1450 Aqui Esta dining room presents a rare opportunity to rebuild or reimagine a home on a 200-plus wide sailboat-access canal, with depths over 20 feet, ideal for larger vessels and a dream for serious anglers. Fishing from the dock is unparalleled, with schools of drum captured during our drone video shoot and watch the neighbor land one in real time. Massive tarpon are known to frequent these waters as well as many other world-class fish species. The fire-damaged 3-bedroom/2-bath home sits on a prime lot with 91 of city-maintained seawall, offering endless potential and privacy. Just one bridge to Charlotte Harbor and minutes to the Gulf. Enjoy walkability to everything Punta Gorda has to offer, including Fisherman's Village, marinas, restaurants, waterfront parks, the Harborfront Linear Trail, and the #1 rated small-town farmers market in all of Florida.